Hi everyone, I'm Shehzad. I'm a physical therapist here at Reddy Care. Our social media influencer come Instagram star Anthony. I made him famous, remember? Actually today we're just going to demonstrate this fantastic new laser machine we got in the office. I can actually take, what am I wearing this for? This is for safety, just FYI. We got this as a class 4 laser. So far what we've generally seen used in therapeutic procedures has been a class 3 laser. This is class 4. Which basically means it's able to give you a lot more energy infused into your body system in a shorter time period, and because of the power that we are infusing in is higher, it is actually much more effective. So Anthony's been complaining of foot pain for the last couple of days, and we're just going to use it on his foot, and we'll see how it feels and see if he feels any better with it. He was actually just telling me before we started filming, you had burning pain in your foot yesterday? Burning pain in his foot yesterday, so I'm just gonna do the whole setup real quick. It's gonna take like 30 seconds to set it up. We always wear these. The patient will wear this. Our girl Allison, sitting in the back of the camera, is wearing this. You'll never see her in front. She's always doing the filming. So I'll just shout out to her as well. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm just gonna set up this real quick. It takes not very long. Still 20 here as well. So we just have to put the area in. We just have to see how much energy we want, and the machine will do all the calculation, setting up everything. So as you can see here, it's going to give him 6,000 joules of energy. It's going to take 5 minutes, so it doesn't always take long. So people who actually come in expecting 15-minute sessions may or may not happen. It depends on the body part and what condition we're dealing with. A lot of factors come into play with that. So you ready, Anthony?
Yes.
Alright, ready to roll. So when you feel it, when I'm turning this on, when I turn it on, you're going to feel it. The sensation has to be warm and soothing. That's your keyword, okay? Are you ready? You're ready. So here we go. I'm just going to roll it up and down, nice and easy on his foot. How does it feel?
Warm and soothing.
Warm and soothing. There you go. That's the key. As long as you feel that. It shouldn't be a burn, it shouldn't be too intense, because then we're looking at potentially causing complications we should not want to deal with. If it's not warm enough, then it's not going to do enough for you. So as I said, warm and soothing is the operative word over here. And he's going to have a good time for 5 minutes. Are you having fun here?
Always.
Okay.
Always.
So we've been doing this with Anthony for 3.5 minutes now. And as when I started, it was actually rather close to his skin, almost in contact with the skin. It's been getting a little hot, so I've been moving it further away from him. So this whole treatment mechanism is basically directed to be at patient comfort level. So it's not something that we're going to force in terms of how hot it should be or how it should not be. As long as you are comfortable with what we're doing, that's what we're primarily looking at. If you're looking at it from a physiological point of view, the whole mechanism of how the laser basically works, right, is that we're infusing light cells, photons as they call in science, into the body system, and what it does is it increases intracellular activity. So it improves your body's healing mechanism. It's going to, in a way, if you look at it, it's firing up the cells to actually do more of the healing process than they normally do. Very effective in terms of acute pain, chronic pain. I mean, you name it, it's happening with the laser. It's been used by a lot of athletes to help speed up the whole recovery process. The laser representative who came to the office was telling us that a lot of people in the NFL, the NBA, the MLB, etc., for WWE fans, Triple H is actually a fan of this stuff. He uses it all the time, so I'm guessing it does something good if he's using it, right? And if you were looking to get a demonstration of this, we're hosting an open house in the office on the 4th of April from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Okay. I'm going to turn this off so I can continue talking. Okay, apparently it doesn't want to go off. Okay. I can take these off now, like my cool glasses now. We're having an open house in the office from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. on the 4th of April All we need you to do is to call the office and register, because it's going to be for the first 32 people to register only. It's not going to be a first come first serve thing, because it's just going to become too overwhelming. So if you're interested in finding out how the laser works, or if you have friends or family members who might be interested in how this works, it doesn't necessarily have to be a Reddy Care patient. Anyone who's interested in finding out how the laser works, you can call the office at 516-829-0030 and register for the event on the 4th of April, and come see us at 475 Northern Boulevard. Take care.